Hey everyone, welcome to the first video in my PyGame tutorial series. Throughout the course, you'll learn important game development skills and how to utilize them with PyGame. This is Lesson 0, Introduction and Installation. PyGame is a wrapper for Simple Direct Media Layer, or SDL in short. SDL is a library that allows programs to receive user input, draw onto the screen, or use other hardware components. Originally written in C, PyGame binds it to Python, as well as adding additional functionality. One of the biggest things PyGame has going for it is that it's free. It's also easily accessible as it can run on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and quite a few other operating systems. PyGame is under the LGPL license, which means the code is open source and can even be used in commercial products. PyGame is also very easy to learn. Many college courses use it as a gateway to coding or game development. Since PyGame is used by so many people, there are plenty of guides and tutorials online. And this brings me to the last advantage, the community. New versions of Pygame are released regularly, and bug fixes happen often. There are also many active people who help newcomers on sites such as Stack Overflow, Discord, or Reddit. However, Pygame still has downsides, most notably its performance. Pygame struggles to maintain a high frame rate when drawing fancy graphics, even in moderate quantities. Because of this, Pygame is usually used for lightweight 2D projects. In addition, PyGame is often used as a stepping stone. Once users are familiar enough with game development, they move on to more robust, dedicated game engines like Unity or Unreal. With that out of the way, I'll show you how to install PyGame on Windows. First, press the Windows key and R. You'll see a small box pop up on your screen. Type in CMD and press Enter. This will bring up the Windows command prompt. Now, type pip install PyGame. If Python is in your environment variables, the installation should start. After a brief moment, there should be a message saying successfully installed Pygame on the bottom. If instead of that there's an error similar to what I'm showing on screen, then Python is not in your environment variables. This is a very common problem, and you'll find a bunch of strewn answers online, but the best solution is to reinstall Python. Use the Python setup file to do a thorough wipe, and then remember to find and check this box during reinstallation. With Pygame now installed, we can start learning how to use it. The next lesson will be your first Pygame project.